This frog is so hot, he decided to cool off under the air conditioner. This is Rocky the cat. With this fast running, you would never believe that he is physically challenged. This lizard can create its own air bubble, which allows it to hold its breath underwater for 16 minutes. This dog is sunbathing and enjoying its food. This is what the mountains of Iceland looks like. So breathtaking. This artist uses lots of photograph to make animation. Is it possible to exercise in space? Yes, it is. This company made a sliding bench which makes it easier to make friends.